first thing we're going to need to do is install Microsoft Visual Studio Code. That's going to be our main visual text editor. You may use whatever you like, quite honestly. So if you're a programming student in one of the computer science courses, and you already have a text editor that is your preferred editor, like Sublime Text or JEdit or whatever, feel free to use those. In fact, actually, we might be switching gears about mid-semester anyways with a different text editor, but we're going to start out with this one just because I like the way that it works. One of the things I kind of want to make a point about is that you may have noticed that you're looking at this our interface here, right? I actually built this so that it's a half screen. I don't know if you can see, but it's half screen. So when you're working, what you should do is just take this and just snap it to your left side. You see what I'm saying? And that way you can work on your right side, or you can snap it to your right side and then work on your left side. But that way, I wrote it in a way that it would be portrait. That way you can work without having to like pop this open and close it and pop it open. It's annoying for you. So I thought this would actually be a little bit easier way of working. So anyway, first thing we're going to need to do is install Microsoft Studio Visual Code. Okay, so this was the first page, and then don't mind this. I just like Jack Black. This is just a placeholder. Anyway. But you can see there's you can click on this right here. Just a neat little trick that you can do. If you middle click, which means like the little rolly ball wheel on your mouse button, if you just middle click on this, it'll actually open up in a new tab instead of just left clicking, which would go right to it. You could also right click and open link in new tab. I'm just going to take this one and I'm just going to snap it to the other side. And then you're just going to want to download it. It's pretty easy, so you can literally just click on it. I don't think they even make you log in or anything, and it should pop over hopefully soon. Thank you for downloading. If it didn't start downloading, direct link. Should pop up here. Is it doing it? Well, anyway. I don't know why it's not doing it already, but it should start downloading. If not, click on the direct download link. It's going to pop open. Then all you're going to want to do is just go on that file, click on it, whatever file it downloads, and then just install it. Okay, just whatever your computer tells you to go about doing, just install the software, and when you are done, you will have this program here. I pinned it to my desktop. You can just move it over to the right side. Hang on one second. Okay, I pinned it to my right side, but you'll just have this program here, and this is what we're going to use. Now, when you do go to open it up, oh, that's why it's not doing it. It actually asked me if I want to save the file. So save file. It went over on my other monitor. Sorry about that. So it's going to save that, and then you'll see it'll download, and then just click on it once it's downloaded, and install it, follow the directions, so on and so forth. It's for both Mac and PC. It might also be Linux. I'm not sure. Anyway, so you're going to do that, install it, and you're going to end up with something like this. Now, again, what I would suggest is putting it on one side, and then your this slideshow on the other. So that way you can kind of work over here and see what you need to do over here. It makes it a lot easier, okay? When it does pop open, just go ahead and close everything that pops up here. So like, I'm going to hit this little X here, and I'm going to hit this little X here, and then I just have a blank thing, okay? This is where you should be at before the next slide, and that's it.